If you're serious about trading meme coins on Solana, Ethereum, Base, BNB, Tron, or any other ecosystem in general within crypto and meme coins, then you need to have a solid mobile trading setup. And if you've been trading memes since 2024, then you're probably familiar with the Phantom app, the Moonshot app, and some of these other apps that have been integrating crypto and trenching. And in this video, I want to walk you guys through this 3.0 version update for the new gmgn app. And it's a complete overhaul. And I want to walk you guys through some of the really cool features that I'm going to be using. This update is game changing. It is by far the sleekest UI and has some of the most useful features that I'm going to break down for you right now. And if you consider yourself a serious trader, then definitely make sure to watch this video and see what's changed, because there's some really cool stuff. From top to bottom, a full UI redesign, a brand new social feature named callouts that allows you to call tokens out to friends and other traders, and an exclusive 7-day launch campaign that makes this one of the best times ever to download this app and earn some of the rewards from trading on the gmgn app. The first thing you're going to notice is that the entire app just looks and feels different. And I mean this in the best way possible, because version 2.0 had a couple features that users didn't really appreciate. And one of them was a neon green box that surrounded all of the coins within the trending tab, but also in the wallet tracker. And as you can see, version 3.0 looks really, really clean. The green border is gone. There's a space in between that allows seeing coins easy. It's real-time updates like this that make trading that much easier. And this new UI, especially in the wallet tracker, is really, really clean. The contrasting is different. There's proper white space in between. And overall, the information is just stacked really cleanly. Which token, who bought it, why did they buy it? You can pretty much parse information instantly. And one of the really useful features they've done now is that they've actually added labels at the bottom. So as you can see, I'm currently on the wallet tracking tab. I'm going to move over to the trenches and the discover tab. Now this discover tab has been completely redone. The green border here is also gone, and the new font and bolding is really clean. Very easy to parse on the eyes, and you can see the information exactly where you expect it. You can see the name of the token, you can see the amount of volume, market cap, and it's all really easy to process and grasp this information. And the new color differentiation in terms of market cap and volume, as you can see, there's green bubbles next to the coins that are increasing in market cap, and there's red percentages to the coins that are decreasing in market cap, but all still sitting on this 1 hour trending. And you can still obviously change the age of the trending to see the coins that are recently running. There's a couple coins running now just within the 5-minute tab. Let's go back to the 6-hour tab. You can see coins that have been moving and moving quickly. Yesterday we had this rich coin that popped off to 2 mil market cap, and when you click on the coins, it's still the same sleek UI with lots of improvements here. And overall, just a completely new visual experience that makes trading so much easier and probably so much more profitable. And one of my favorite design changes on this discover tab is the new chain selector. I can very easily click these small pill icons to change between chains. Is that it used to be at the top right where you had to click this drop down menu, but now all I have to do is click this chain selector. I'm on Base, ETH, obviously Asteroid is the biggest coin on ETH. From here, I can literally select any chain and I can see the coins that are running, switch between chains and see which coins are running on each chain. And here I can do a quick deep dive every single morning and begin trading whether I'm on the go or at home. Now let's move over to the portfolio tab. And there's some subtle changes here, but overall really, really clean. There's a new deposit button that makes it so much easier to see and deposit crypto into your wallet. And they've recently added a really, really unique 7-day exclusive reward in which you can deposit crypto and fiat and have 0% fees whatsoever. So you can do this straight through Apple Pay, and it's going to one-to-one convert any funds you transfer from Apple Pay into Solana or USDC for trading on any single chain. Some of the features that users really like is still here as well. You can switch between USDC and you can switch between Solana. So I can see this wallet currently has 37 SOL in it. I can look at some of my profitability metrics. I can look at my overall P&L on this wallet, scroll down, and I can see some of the recent trades I'm in. I can also look at the coins I'm holding. This wallet of mine is currently holding a bunch of different tokens with lots of different balances, and I can also look at recent trades and history that I've done. And this level of attention to detail that you're familiar with on their browser and their trading terminal, they pretty much maintained it within the mobile app while redesigning the entire UI and making it much more of a seamless experience. The biggest change you're going to see on this portfolio tab is the 3 big buttons at the top of the screen. Obviously we have the deposit in bright green, we have the convert, which is a new button where you can easily and seamlessly convert funds from one chain to another. I can swap Solana to BSC or BSC to Sol or ETH, pretty much any chain to any chain seamlessly within the app. And the invite button has a hot label next to it because of the 7-day campaign that I'm going to speak about later in this video, so make sure to stick around for that. Overall, the entire redesign between these 3 tabs so far, track, discover, and portfolio, have one thing in common, and they're designed to make trading sessions much more smoother on the eyes, but also longer overhaul sessions. Okay, this is a feature that I think is going to completely change the way that you and all traders use this this gmgn app. And this new feature is named callouts. And here's the idea. Right now, when you're on the tracking tab and you're copy trading someone, whether you're looking at their buys and sells, you see a buy and maybe you copy it, but you have zero idea as to why they're buying or selling a coin. You have no insight into the actual thesis behind this trade. You're pretty much flying blind, and callout is an attempt to fix that. And here's exactly how it works. So when you buy a new coin under your portfolio tab, you must be holding the actual coin. And when you actually go ahead and click on the coin, and the top right here is this arrow button, you can click it. And now you open up this brand new callout tab that allows you to share thesis on your position. And here you have a 240 character limit where you can type out a short or long thesis and explain why you bought a coin. And the main catch is you have to be holding at least $8 of a coin. My balance in this coin is 626, so I'm able to type out a call out. Let me maybe type out my thesis for this. I'll type, this is the biggest meme of 2026, put a period, click done. And from here, I can click the send callout button, which is going to send a call out to everybody who tracks my wallet on gmgn. This isn't a tweet. This isn't a Discord message. This is a direct message sent directly on the tracking tab when you're tracking someone's wallet. So when I click send callout, it's going to notify the actual callout, and you can click view details, and it's going to pop it up right here under the wallet tracking tab. Now, once you click send, pretty much anybody who tracks your wallet is going to be able to see this callout and read into your thesis and understand why you bought or sold this asset. Now think about what this means if you have copy traders or if you're a call with people who track your moves. You're no longer making moves in silent, and you can distribute your thesis in a pretty easy way to everyone without having to tweet about it or message people. Everybody can read your thesis on the wallet tracking section of gmgn. And now people are able to actually read into your thesis rather than just blindly following you. And on the flip side, if you're ever wondering why somebody bought or sold something, you're able to see their logic right within the screen, right on the app, and you're not guessing anymore, and you actually have conviction behind the trades. This is a similar feature to other mobile trading apps, except there's the key distinction here that you actually have to hold the token to drop your thesis, and people not only on the mobile app but also on the web can see your thesis and read it and decide whether to buy or sell after you. It's definitely going to be one of those features that 3 to 6 months from now everybody takes for granted, but we're going to look back on and see how big of a difference it made, especially within this 3.0 update. Now that really comes to play, especially when you look at the copy section and you look at traders' profitability metrics over the last 5, 10, 7, 30 days of trading. And now when you actually click on wallets, you can actually read into thesis depending on if they post it or not. A win-win for traders, but also people who are looking to learn more about trading, especially on the app itself. Now, why should you be hopping on this app sooner than later and signing up using the link down below? Now, for starters, for the first 7 days after the release of this 3.0 update, you're going to be getting a 0% on-ramp for new crypto bought and deposited on the gmgn app. So pretty much you can on-ramp and buy any sort of crypto, Sol, ETH, BNB, anything using the gmgn app with a credit or debit card or Apple Pay, and you're gonna have 0% fees for the first 7 days. Now these fees are typically anywhere from 3 to 4%, so a $1,000 purchase, you're gonna be saving roughly $30 to $40. Multiply that with bigger and bigger deposits, you're gonna be saving a lot of money. And adding more crypto into your wallet is typically a point of friction for a lot of traders because they don't know where to buy crypto. So here the gmgn app makes it very easy, seamless, and 0% transaction fees. So once you're able to deposit some sort of crypto within the app, your purchase and your points earned is going to be multiplied by 10x for your first purchase. And this means you're going to be earning more cash back and more points that you're able to use on the rewards tab for cool stuff. Now, the third and one of the coolest rewards is that for every additional user that you refer to the gmgn app, and for every trade that they make, you're going to be earning up to 3x more rewards than you would have in the past. So if you start referring people to the gmgn app and they start making some trades, you're going to be earning up to 30% plus in terms of reward and fees from their trades. This could be a smooth source of passive income. So any size audience, whether on Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere, you can build a steady stream of passive income, and it's pretty worth to try regardless, especially in these first 7 days. To summarize, gmgn 3.0 is a complete overhaul, and it makes long trading sessions infinitely easier and smoother. And the new callout feature adds incredible context and insight as to trading thesis, and it makes it so that you don't have to trade blindly by yourself. And it does it all in a way that I haven't seen executed this cleanly anywhere else. And this new 7-day reward campaign is one of the best that I've seen in a long time, especially for crypto meme coin trading terminals. And when you summarize all three of these points, it makes it a no-brainer to make sure that you're using the gmgn app. And if you're already using the gmgn app, make sure to update to the latest 3.0 update and take advantage of all the new features and improvements. If you're not already on gmgn, the link is down below to get started. Make sure to sign up on the trading terminal first with email, and then download the app and use that same email and login information to continue a seamless experience. I use this app pretty much daily to scout new coins, and I recommend you do the same. If you have any questions in regards to the app or specifications, make sure to drop them down in the comments below. If you want to see a mobile trading session that I had where I made upwards of 5K in profit, then click on this link here to watch that video on the gmgn app. And if you learned something new, then hit the like and subscribe button down below. Drop any comments or questions. Hopefully you learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.